Hey folks, AJ, the CEO here. It is Sunday afternoon, just finished up at church, and we are at the airport getting ready to head back to Elgin to help them finish their soft launch of getting back into their sanctuary, finish up the little amount of work that we got up there. I think we got some extra stuff we got to do as well too. I just got an email about, but let's get up here, get over here to Elgin, get checked into the hotel, and we'll see y'all at the church. Alrighty folks, good morning. We're here back at First United Methodist Church. As you can see, we're inside the sanctuary. We've got to cut some of these cables. I thought they were going to cut them for me, but we got to get in here, and I'm noticing something. The system is still left on. Let me take care of that. All right, and I keep walking so fast I forget my phone. But what we need to do is a couple of things we're being introduced so that we can fix a few things. So we added some mini PCs that are going to go into each one of the conference rooms. We need to get the TV back set up, but I think they also want me to run a cable to that so that it can show the sanctuary. We got them a Thor HDMI, so that would be way more efficient in running video signal to all the other TVs. The SDI cables here we're going to have to feed through. We got here, we need to feed them through so that they will go to here. And let me turn this off. So they did have it, they just didn't put it in place. So the whole system is on and it needs to be turned off. What is this? What? All right. There's a bunch of stuff. All right, let me get this set up, and then we're gonna try and fix whatever. Some extra stuff was being done, and we need to clean up a lot of the stuff that was kind of thrown in here. Alrighty folks, so the mission for today is learning to be comfortable with being uncomfortable. Just got people constantly touching and changing stuff, so I'm gonna have to really redo a bunch of things here. So first off, just a lot of stuff was kind of thrown together, and I know it was put there because they were trying to put the pews in place, so I got to fix that. Some other people that don't need to be touching stuff set up the projectors. I got to fix that because it's going into stuff that's kind of all over the place. So also some of the other supplies came in. New surge protector so that we can get rid of all these multiple ones. So I'm gonna put this in place and we'll go from there. And I need to get my tools. Alright folks, so I hooked up a bunch of this stuff and got it set up the way I designed for it to go. So let me show you what we got here. So we've cleaned up a lot of this stuff. So again, instead of unplugging everything, we have a longer surge protector that I'm going to screw into that so it doesn't go anywhere. I'm going to wrap the cables, but mainly to turn everything on and off. Like if y'all watch any of my videos, we do the same thing. This is what's going to turn off the cameras and everything, the ATEM, and then the computer should not be turned off so it can do updates. But we got that done. So now what I'm going to do is move into the podcast room, move some stuff over there, but I'm probably going to go and talk to Amy about a few things and bring some attention to some stuff for her, and then we will get the Thor and all this other stuff hooked up. All right folks, so a couple of things have changed. I had to rewire some of the stuff because when they hooked up the projectors, it was actually hooked up wrong. I actually have it hooked up now. Now the problem is these are not HD projectors. So a feed coming directly from the ATEM will never work unless we do a scaler to scale down the image so that it can work. So also talking about the production that happens with worship and in the service, pretty much convinced them that we're now moving with ProPresenter so that just like I have in Antioch and I've done in other videos and I'll tag the video, these will show full screen what's going on, but another setup connection from the computer is going to be running to the ATEM, which is going to be in a lower third format, so that instead of using the super source for everybody online, because a lot of people like saying I don't want to see that, it's taking up and pulling me away from the service, which is totally understandable, which is the reason why I've made changes. Inside the sanctuary, it's going to show full screen. Inside the ATEM, it's going to show in a lower third configuration. So that's what we're going to move with. So I'm going to configure that, and I'm bouncing around other stuff. I ran some cables initially into the server room. I need to terminate those for the vape sensors, and then I need to order another vape sensor because that's going to go downstairs. We need 2 downstairs for the men and women's bathroom, as well as the ones upstairs. So I got to order one more. And for whatever reason, it's having a problem processing my card. I think I'm getting the address wrong. So I'm gonna need to log in the computer and order that stuff and get it here next day. And actually, I need to do that like now. So I'm gonna do that and then finish doing this stuff. All right, folks, been making a bunch of progress. Got the conference room downstairs done. Working on setting up the computer here. If we go to the other side, I got this set up. So I think I already talked about that. Never mind. I'm coming back on this side. I have the vape sensors ran, as you can see. Now, it was supposed to be one for each of the bathrooms, but when I played around with this thing is so daggone strong, and the bathrooms are so close, I think it will pick up either one. But I do have another cable in the ceiling right here. So if I need to, all I got to do is punch through here and plug in this one and then relocate this one downstairs, because the tiles in here are bigger than the ones in the bathroom. Just get a smaller one and extend the cable in there. I don't think that is needed, but we do have that just in case. So I am weeding my way through. Ordered a bunch of new stuff, key fobs, all these other things that we need to do downstairs. That will be here overnight. That would be here tomorrow by noon. So worst case, probably work on it Wednesday. They are finishing up the carpet in here. And once everything is done, I need to tack down and fix the cables so they're out of their way so they don't have to worry about those. And what I'm going to do now, another joystick was ordered so that we can get everything in here set up. I'm going to do that. Depending on how much cable I have left, I'm probably going to run a hard line, because I mean, I'm right here. Run a hard line over to here. I mean, there's actually a jack already, I thought, around here. Anyway, I need to run. I'm thinking about maybe running a jack so that the computer is hardwired into here. Access point is close by, so it'll have internet, but I'm thinking for the computers, have them hardwired in. Let me set up the joystick over here in the podcast room and then get downstairs to see what else we're going to go with today. All right, folks, new work to do. So the cameras on the roof weren't working. So as I got here, I noticed they changed out the new skylights, and the people who ran the initial old security cameras were running through a pipe that was on the base of the skylight. So they replaced all of that. That's the reason why the cables are not working. So now, because these are all the cables that they had, from there. So that's a solid piece. So can't and won't drill through any of that stuff so that they got that stuff working. So what we're gonna have to do is I am going to, in that causeway, drill through the wall to get over to the server room. That isn't that big of a deal. Outside of drilling a hole in the wall and sealing it up, not a big deal. Um, the other thing I'm gonna have to do is I'm gonna have to pull some new cables in here because I have to do the bottom downstairs since all of this is done. We still need to put a security camera out here for the bottom of the steps. That's the tape I had left over from like 3 years ago when we started mapping this. So we need a camera down here. We already got the one that's above that, and we got the one that's above that as well too. And then we have to do the same thing for the steps here on that side near the kitchen. We already did the one here because we just saw that cable. We need to do one over there and one over there. So that's 1, 2, 3 cameras down here. And then figure out what we're going to do with the door down here. And I need to go look at the door. I need to get the model number because based off of what I did in Fredericksburg, I need to look up the model of the door armature here. And they are motors that I can get order replacement. And I need to next day that so it can be here. But I don't think I'm going to be able to do this right now. The other thing I'm going to do while we're down here, and again, I am not going to do that today. Lights. Where's the lights? The other thing I need to do is, this is the bathroom down here in the men's bathroom. Maybe put the other vape sensor right here. And again, that's not that long of a run because we are right over here. We just need to find a jack that's available, which we should have some because not everything is connected as well. But yeah, not that long of a run. Yes, we have to go up here in the ceiling, but literally it's right here. And then we're right here. So at the same time, oh, and we got some leftover cables right there. So I'll pull one of those cables. That'll be enough to get in here. That should be close enough to get both of these areas. I think we should be good. Worst case scenario, if we need to do 2 separate ones, because we did order another one. I'll put one here in the center of the women's bathroom. Again, we're on the other side of the wall, where the server, the 48 port is down here, and then here, this will be simple. Literally, we just go up in the ceiling and we're right there. And I actually might do that, hook that up now, because that's the easiest one to do right now. So let's do that. Get the vape sensor down here. Got to pull 2 cables in here. And because we have another switch in here in the tool room, we just run a cable from there. So not that big of an issue. And are these my cables that they dropped? No, I thought I pushed that up. I need to get a ladder and pull that back up, get that up out of the way. But this is how the skylights were originally. And they changed those out. I told them, they said they don't have any plans of changing those out. But I just said, if they do that, we just got to be mindful that if you do that, it's going to cut all the other cameras on the other side. So I think I'm going to tackle that tomorrow. I'm trying to stay on the ground right now because I was tired. I got to figure out the run down in the ceiling to get the cable from the media room to the other side of the wing for the Thor. So I can do a distribution there. I know there's a cable going there because that's how the internet got up there. Need to go in the ceiling and figure that out. But I think we should be good. I'm tired. All right, folks, I'm downstairs in the old server room that we had moved a long time ago, but since this is in the men's bathroom, we went ahead and put the other vape sensor right there. The other one is supposed to be here. Honestly, I think it's close enough to do both, but like I said, I already ran cables upstairs for the phones when we moved this initially. So I already got tables in the ceiling. So they're already here. So in the women's bathroom, if I get in, well, when we do the other one, I will install the other one. Um, maybe in here. Don't need to go where the stalls are. I'll put one here, but again, I think we're close enough that it will actually pick up. But I will put another one right here in the center. Cable is already ran. All I got to do is just connect it to the switch and go from there. We do need to run some more cables in the ceiling um, here for the switches that lead to upstairs. Just trying to think. Because I ran two cables up in the ceiling that went to each side that would power the cameras. I got to go back up on the roof, but I don't know if I got enough waterproof cable. Actually, I don't, no, no, no. I don't even need to do that. There's already a cable going up. That up there is a problem. The break is down here. So what I got to do is the cable that I got, run that upstairs to get that over. I have to run two cables over here for the camera that I'm gonna put flanking right up here. I'm gonna put that right in that corner right there. I need to run a cable for that. That's all I need to do because we're running upstairs. We're going into the server room. So that part should be fine. I am so tired. I need to change the light in there, but we got to do that. Um, got to work on the doors. Need to get some low voltage boxes, 4 of them at minimum.
What's she saying?
And then we go from there. Let me see who's in here.